Eggs are supposed to be the safest food in the store, cheap, simple, natural, but the modern egg aisle is a masterclass in deception.
A pantry staple is likely to soon cost more at the checkout with egg prices.
Labels designed to calm you while hiding conditions that would make you put the carton back instantly.
So, with an eye on saving with 6ABC, Consumer Reports has sifted through egg labels to reveal what they actually mean and whether it's worth paying.
Today, we expose the eggs you should never buy.
New at 10, the real Easter egg hunt this year is finding affordable eggs.
Before we crack into it, like the video, subscribe to the channel and watch until the end, because the last brands are the ones most shoppers think are clean, and they're not.
Recalled eggs are still being sent to processing facilities where they will be cooked, pasteurized, and then used in products like ice cream and mayonnaise.
Eggland's Best. Eggland's Best dominates grocery shelves with one powerful idea: nutritionally superior eggs, extra omega-3s, added vitamins, better feed. It sounds scientific, responsible, advanced, but here's what's missing from the front of the carton. Eggland's Best eggs typically come from large-scale industrial operations where hens are confined indoors year-round. The enhanced nutrition comes not from natural foraging, but from engineered feed formulas, often including soy, corn, and synthetic supplements designed to alter the egg's nutrient profile. That means the egg is optimized on paper, not in nature. Hens aren't eating bugs. They're not touching grass, they're not exposed to sunlight, the yolks are pale for a reason, and no amount of added omega-3 marketing can replace a hen that actually lives like a hen. Land O'Lakes benefits from brand trust built over generations, dairy heritage, farm imagery, rural nostalgia, but their eggs are produced using conventional factory farm systems, often with caged or densely packed hens, depending on the product line and state regulations. Even when cartons mention cage-free, it usually means warehouse confinement, not outdoor access. Cage-free is not pasture-raised, indoor is not natural, and branding is not transparency. These eggs look fine, they cook fine, but nutritionally, they reflect a hen raised in stress, monotony, and artificial light cycles.
Now, obviously, this egg recall has all of us worried about the safety of our eggs.
Conditions shown to impact egg quality, fatty acid balance, and micronutrient density.
Absolutely. The crest labels from Prosper, Texas, and the EB eggs are, they vaccinate their hens 3 times for the salmonella, so I think I'm going to start buying EB, to tell you the truth.
Great value. Walmart's great value eggs win on price, and that's the problem. These eggs come from the lowest cost industrial suppliers, where efficiency outranks welfare, nutrition, and transparency. Hens are fed the cheapest legal feed. Living conditions are optimized for output, not health. The cartons often say very little. That silence is intentional. When eggs are sold at rock-bottom prices nationwide, corners were cut somewhere, usually everywhere.
Chances are you have noticed eggs are a lot more expensive than they used to be.
That's thanks to the bird flu, but also this time of year with chickens and ducks tending to lay eggs in the winter months.
If eggs are a daily staple for you, this is the kind of saving that quietly costs you long-term. Hillendale Farms. Hillendale Farms is one of the largest egg producers in the U.S., supplying countless grocery chains under different labels. Scale is their advantage, and their weakness. Massive operations mean uniform feed, uniform environments, and minimal variation. Hens are managed like production units, not living systems. Even cage-free lines are typically raised indoors with thousands of birds per barn. When problems happen, contamination, disease, recalls, they happen big.
You wouldn't see this kind of dust and dirt if they were cleaning it every day.
Wayne Pacelli is a Humane Society spokesman.
And here they've bunched up and now they're falling because this bird got stuck in the cage.
Industrial scale doesn't allow for nuance, and food quality lives in nuance. Lucerne. Lucerne eggs, commonly found at stores like Safeway and Albertsons, are another example of branding doing heavy lifting. The eggs are usually conventionally produced with limited disclosure about feed quality, outdoor access, or hen treatment. The cartons lean on comforting colors and farm imagery, but provide few specifics. If a carton doesn't clearly say pasture-raised and third-party verified, assume it isn't. Eggs don't become better because the label feels familiar. Market side. MarketSide positions itself as a step above generic store brands. Cleaner design, slightly higher price, implied quality upgrade. But production methods often mirror standard industrial cage-free systems, with hens confined indoors and fed grain-heavy diets designed for cost efficiency. The difference between MarketSide and bargain eggs is often aesthetic, not biological. Your body can't taste packaging. Simply nature. Simply Nature is marketed as Aldi's clean label, organic forward option, and while it does improve on conventional eggs in some ways, many Simply Nature eggs still come from large-scale organic operations. Organic feed doesn't equal natural living. Hens may still be housed indoors most of the time. Outdoor access can be minimal or symbolic, and organic grain-heavy diets still lack the diversity that produces truly nutrient-dense eggs. Better than conventional, still not ideal. Buy these instead. These eggs don't rely on clever wording, they rely on how the hen actually lives. Vital Farms. Vital Farms sets the gold standard in mainstream grocery stores. Their eggs are pasture-raised, meaning hens have real outdoor access, room to roam, sunlight exposure, and the ability to forage naturally. Bugs, grass, seeds, all the things that make eggs better without engineering, the yolks tell the story immediately. Deep orange, rich texture, distinct flavor. Vital Farms also publishes farm standards, audits, and sourcing transparency. That level of openness is rare and expensive, which is why the eggs cost more. You're not paying for a label, you're paying for a lifestyle the hen actually lived. Happy Egg Company. Happy Egg Company focuses on free range with meaningful outdoor access, not token doors to concrete patios. Their hens are given space, sunlight, and enrichment, conditions that reduce stress and improve egg quality. The yolks are consistently darker than conventional eggs, and the flavor reflects it. Are they perfect? No. Are they miles ahead of industrial eggs? Absolutely. Pete and Jerry's. Pete and Jerry's specializes in certified humane, free-range eggs with strong third-party oversight. They emphasize small family farms, transparent standards, and reduced confinement. While not fully pasture-raised in all cases, their practices significantly outperform conventional cage-free system. This is a strong middle ground for shoppers who want better eggs but can't always find pasture-raised options. Local pasture-raised eggs. Not a brand, but often the best choice. Farmers markets, local co-ops, and direct farm sales often provide eggs from small flocks, raised outdoors with diverse diets and minimal intervention. You won't get flashy packaging. You won't get national branding. What you get is the closest thing to the egg humans evolved eating. If you can ask the farmer how the hens live, and they answer without dodging, that's your sign. If this made you rethink the egg aisle, like the video, subscribe and share this with someone who still thinks cage-free means humane. And comment below, which eggs do you buy now, and which grocery aisle should we expose next? Because eggs aren't just eggs, they're a mirror of the system that produced them.